just a straight break lower, break lower, break lower. These types of moves, if you're not aware of the higher time frames, if you're completely oblivious to what's going on the weekly, the monthly, the weekly, and the daily, you can many times look at these tiny little potential swing lows and get all excited thinking, okay, it has to turn around now. It just keeps going lower, 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 lower. This is a sell program, okay? That means every single time you see an up close candle, think of it as a resistance level. And until we start seeing up close candles broken with price movement going above them, order flow is bearish. Until we get down to the lower end of that inefficiency I mentioned this morning. And we got just beyond it by a couple pips. And we pretty much stopped for the day, which is expected. These types of objectives or targets, once they're reached, and we're in the middle of the week, we're in the last week of September. We've already covered a lot of ground. The market's dropped a lot. So when you reach these really deep discount objectives and targets on the higher time frame, it's reasonable to anticipate consolidation and or retracements. Doesn't mean pick a bottom in a bear market. It doesn't mean pick a top in a bull market. It just means that it's reasonable to expect some measure of consolidation and or retracement.